Hi, this is Dean Cardinell from Worldwide Trekking, and today I'm going to talk about currency exchange and money that you'll need in Nepal. Okay, so a lot of times people are coming over, they want to know how much money should I bring, can I exchange money, are there ATMs available when I get to Nepal from my Mount Everest Base Camp trek. When you arrive in Nepal, you always want to travel with fresh, new $100 bills. When you have new $100 bills, they're going to accept those more easily. If we bring over old bills or bills that have writing on them or they're damaged or torn, it's more difficult to exchange them. There are a number of currency exchange places close to our hotel in Tamil in the areas that will be the first few days before our trip, so you'll be able to exchange some money. There are ATMs in Kathmandu and you can use them. Just like here in the United States, they're probably going to charge you a couple dollars or so to make that transaction. They're not as frequent, obviously, here in the United States. I always suggest that people bring over the cash that they're going to need, a credit card in case of an emergency, ATM. If you really find yourself needing to get some cash on hand and you don't have cash or you decide you need more than you brought, all those options are available, but cash is usually the best way to travel. If you go to an ATM, sometimes the bank doesn't accept your card. There's always the chance when you use a credit card or an ATM card that your bank is worried about it because of where you're using it, and they might cancel your card for a time being. So once we leave Kathmandu, there's no ATMs on the trek to Mount Everest Base Camp. For that 15 days, we pass through a number of villages where you might want to buy something small, a soda, a candy bar, a small souvenir, something along the way. A number of the tea houses sell Wi-Fi passwords for 24 hours. In Namche Bazaar, on the second day of our trek, that's a larger village, there is a bureau de change. There is a place where we can exchange money. If you had US currency and 2 days into it you think, you know, I should have exchanged some more money, you can take some of your US currency and have it exchanged there. After Namche Bazaar, all the way to Everest Base Camp, the following 8 days up and 3 days back, there's no money exchange. We're staying in small villages and tea houses along the way. When you trek up the valley, you're gonna want some money exchanged for your time in the tea houses. So the currency exchange in Nepal is gonna go from the US dollar to the Nepalese rupee. So when you do exchange your money into rupees, you don't want to exchange more money than you're going to need. Once you leave Nepal and fly even to Thailand or somewhere in China, you're not going to be able to exchange the Nepalese rupees back to any other currency outside of Nepal. The rates don't change that much differently from one place to the next, and if it's a point different one place or the other, you're talking about cents on the dollar if you're just exchanging $100. When they give you back that change, it's always a good idea in Kathmandu or any country we travel to ask them for smaller change. When you're buying things on your trek or in Kathmandu, like a soda, it's hard to give them a large bill and think that they're going to have change for your small purchase. So when you get your money exchanged, pass it back across there, ask them to break down a couple of the bills into smaller currency so you have some smaller pocket change. As far as using credit cards in Kathmandu, debit cards, that kind of thing, I usually travel with credit cards, not debit cards, because the credit card has that barrier in case it's lost or stolen, or debit card, they're going straight into your bank account. Credit cards are fine to use if you're purchasing something larger, you're buying a massage in the hotel, or maybe you go to one large souvenir shop and you're buying a number of big items, but for small daily purchases, you're not going to be able to use a credit card. Okay, so I hope you learned some information about exchanging money in Nepal, currency of Nepal, what kind of money you're going to need while you're in Nepal. Learn more on our website at www.trek.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch the rest of our video series on trekking to Mount Everest Base Camp.